Hello, jdriver and
Anthony Jett here. Welcome to our demonstration of group policy objects.
also known as GPOs.
We'll be demonstrating a user GPO a typical organization would assign to their users.
In this example, we've chosen to assign a password policy to the 4 employees in HR.
They're listed here in the Active Directory Users and Computers window.
When we switch over to the Group Policy Management window, you can see the original GPO in the Group Policy Objects folder down here.
The shortcut is located in the Users OU,
Organizational Unit.
right here.
When clicked, the Password Enforcement Settings summary is displayed in this panel on the right.
You can see that we click Show here and here. The settings we previously set are shown.
We've set to enforce a password history of 10 passwords being remembered, maximum password age of 90 days, minimum password age of 7 days, and minimum password length of 8 characters.
Now we move on to the computer policy object. This policy applies to all computers in the desktop's OU in HR as shown here.
If we go to the Group Policy Management and select the Screen Lock GPO, we can click on Settings, and then here and here. This shows us that the user's screen will lock after 900 seconds or 15 minutes.
We can modify this policy by right-clicking on the screen lock object and selecting Edit. This will open the Group Policy Management Editor.
You can see here that the interactive logon machine inactivity limit has been set to 900 seconds. Hello, this is jdriver. With me is Anthony Jett. Say hi, Anthony.
Hello.
We're going to be demonstrating the application of the user password group policy object. We are logging on to Team02 Workstation 0002, which is on the corp.team02.net domain. We'll be logging in as a human resources user named Jack Foster. Username Jack Foster. The default password will be required to be changed upon initial login. So I've typed the default password. I'll ASDF1234 semicolon asterisk or dash, and go ahead and sign in. And because of the way we created the user, we checked the box that said user must change password before signing in. So here we are. And for a new password, now we have a requirement of the password needs to be longer than 8 characters. So I'm just going to try QERT QWERTY, like this, QWERTY, which is 6 characters, I believe. And verify QWERTY, and we're going to go ahead and attempt to change our password. And we're unable to change the password because it does not meet the complexity length requirements that we set in the group policy object for users in the HR users OU. So once again, I'll type his old password. And for a new password, I'm going to use that right there, which should meet all complexity requirements. verify that it's correct. Our password has been changed. And since this is the user's first time logging on to this computer, we're going to go ahead and skip ahead to when we're at the desktop, and we'll demonstrate the second OU we wrote, which is the computer OU to lock or turn off the display after 15 minutes. Okay, we'll be right back.
And we're back. The workstation has started up and browsing to the control panel and editing the power settings. You can see that the turn off display setting now reads 15 minutes instead of 10 minutes like it did before the GPO was implemented. We hope you've enjoyed the Lab 9 presentation that we've done for CIS279SC, taught by Professor Magidson.
Thanks for watching.